What is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna talk about the 500 subscribers. I know the thumbnail, it's a little deceiving, but I want to let you guys know, I want to wish you good luck because it has not been easy. You know, we've had the channel about 2 years maybe, but I mean, we don't post videos all the time. At first we did start making videos and posting videos all the time, but like it wouldn't move. You know, there'd be months where zero. So, you know, if you starting off, you kind of lose focus because, you know, you're expecting at least one person a month, and when you don't see that one subscriber, you start losing faith. So I mean, it's not I know a lot of people jump on there and like their content, you know, is pretty awesome, and a lot of people, you know, subscribe to them. But I mean, it's not as easy as a lot of the videos you see out there. You know, I have a lot of friends that decided to do YouTube as well, and like barely have 200, 300 subscribers. So I mean, we started off, we bought a Canon 740 HS, which was like 400 bucks. So, you know, we're trying to, you know, get some pretty decent equipment. You know, we don't have a lot of money to throw at cameras that we don't know if we're gonna use all the time or not. So we started off doing welding, vehicle repair. You know, me and my daughter would do a couple of videos here, a couple of videos there. You know, we're getting 200-300 views, which is not something, you know, super badass. But I just want to say, man, I wish you guys good luck. And I do it now, I mean, because I just got used to every now and then making a video, and like, I'm a disabled veteran, so this kind of keeps me busy, you know, got my mind doing something. So I will still keep putting out videos here and there. So, but hey, you guys, good luck out there if you are planning on starting a channel. Hopefully it goes a lot better for you than it has for us, and you know, you stay motivated and just keep going and keep going. But hey, good luck to you guys, and hey, as always, thanks for watching. Peace.